How did nature make me feel?
Yeah.
I mean, I don't know, it's okay. It doesn't really make me feel anything. Except it's like, I mean, it's kind of like, there's kind of like more of it than we probably need, you know? And I've been in the woods a few times. It's like, sort of like, what's the big deal, you know? One time I was out, I was in the woods, I was like in nature, and you know, I dropped my keys and they like fell under some leaves, and I was like, thanks nature, you know, like, what are you doing here? You know, what has nature ever done for me? Seriously.
Are you afraid of being like those people you just saw? Do you feel like your brain is being melted by electronics? Do you feel like you're looking into a TV screen more than the outdoor scene? Well, we're here to change that with nature enthusiast, Nature Nancy, and Wilderness Wilma! Woo! Yeah, let's bring them on!
So what did you do this weekend?
Well, you know, I climbed a few 14ers and even had time for a picnic at the top.
Well, I just went to the top of Mount Albert and jumped off.
I did that one last week. Well, aren't we being rude? We have guests here.
Yeah, let's show them nature!
Nature!
So let's begin with some questions from the crowd.
So I really like looking at pictures on my iPod 4, but I don't know how I'd ever go out and actually survive.
So first up, you need to find a backpack. This one looks nice.
Then you should probably bring some great durable shoes.
Some pants in case it gets cold.
Pajamas.
A raincoat.
And an extra raincoat probably, just in case it floods.
You also want to be well nourished. So over here we have some Nutella, some butter, and some raisins, which I think we're set. Here we go. And some tea in case.
And of course, don't forget your water. Gophers are good too.
And then you zip it all up. You're ready to go.
Ready to go! Now it's time for my favorite part of the show.
What part is that?
Dig up your prize time!
Who wants to be the lucky contestant to dig up their prize?
Oh, me! Pick me! Come on now, I'm a big
Come
fan.
on down!
Let's go! Oh yeah! So you gotta dig up your prize.
Alright, just
Anywhere in the woods.
Do I have a time limit?
10 seconds.
10 seconds.
Go.
Okay. Ready, go! 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, oh, she got something! I think she might have opened it. Okay, we'll see. What does it say? What does it say?
I don't know.
So you won! You get to go on a hike with us! Yeah!
Welcome to the high mountain forest of the Rocky Mountains.
We're here today to ask our audience a few more questions and to take our lucky winner on a hike.
Earlier in our show, we had a contestant dig up a prize, and here's our winner right here.
Woo!
Hi everyone, I'm at the Long Bottom. I'm from Erie, Colorado, and I'm ready to hike today with you guys.
Great, so where's your pack? Let's get it. Let's go.
It's right over here. Alright guys.
You got all the essentials in there?
I think so.
Great.
Yeah, alright.
Here we go.
Come on over here guys, check this out. I think I can see my house.
You got it.
Quicker!
Ethel, go! Ethel, go! Go, Ethel, go! Alright, we made it far enough on our hike where we're ready to show Miss Campbell how to climb a tree. Woo! So first, you would begin by finding a tree with, you know, a lot of easy accessible branches. Does this work for you with your height?
I think so.
All right, so now that we have that out, why don't you actually use this handy dandy rock, climb the rock and up the tree.
Okay, what foot do I use first?
Whatever you feel most comfortable. Probably you're right.
Okay.
If it actually has the point we thought it would.
Yeah.
Nature, it's an everyday miracle.
Nature, you can touch it all.
Nature, take a walk on the wild side. Nature puts a spring in my day.
Nature, put it at the top of your list.
Now I had the time of my life. No, I've never felt like this before. 'Cause I swear it's the truth, and I owe it all to you.
Time of my life, and I owe it all to you.
I've been waiting for so long, and now I finally found someone to stand by me.
We saw the writing on the wall as we felt this magical fantasy.
When I think about nature, when I think about the root word of nature, I can't help but think of the greatest friend I'll ever have. A true connection. Nature. It's good for you.